You've probably heard the term DMCA Takedown, but what does it actually mean? And how can it protect you when your content is stolen or leaked online? In today's video, we'll explain what a DMCA takedown is, how it works, and how you can use it to defend your online privacy and intellectual property. The DMCA, or Digital Millennium Copyright Act, was enacted to protect content creators from unauthorized use of their work online. It gives you the legal right to demand the removal of copyrighted content that's been used without your permission. A DMCA takedown is a formal legal request you submit to a website, hosting provider, or platform like Google. It requires them to remove infringing content like stolen photos, videos, or even text, quickly and legally. You locate the infringing content. You gather proof that you own the material. You submit a detailed DMCA takedown notice. The host or platform reviews it. If approved, they remove the content, often within days. You can file takedowns directly with social media sites, hosting providers, domain registrars, and search engines like Google to have the content and its search results removed. The longer stolen content stays online, the further it spreads. Filing a DMCA takedown quickly helps minimize the damage to your reputation, career, and mental health. At Leak Content Removal, we specialize in filing DMCA takedowns efficiently and effectively across multiple platforms at once, so you can focus on moving forward without the stress. A DMCA takedown is a simple yet powerful tool to protect your content, your brand, and your privacy. If you ever find yourself a victim of leaks or theft, know that you have legal weapons on your side. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Need urgent content removal? Visit leakcontentremoval.com. We're here to fight for your digital rights.